agua es esencial para la vida. Su disponibilidad depende de los regímenes de lluvias. Su distribución depende de nosotros. En este documental, especialistas y colaboradores del proyecto presentan sus intereses y esperanzas. En los 3 capítulos siguientes hablaremos sobre la disponibilidad y el manejo del agua, en el pasado, en el presente y para el futuro. Estos son los Andes tropicales del norte del Perú. Nos encontramos a 9 grados al sur del Ecuador y detrás mío se observa la cordillera blanca, la cordillera central. En esta parte de América del Sur hay 3 ramales de la cordillera negra al oeste sobre el lado del Pacífico, la cordillera blanca detrás mío y detrás de la cordillera blanca la cordillera oriental ya en la cuenca del río Amazonas. Esta es una zona muy escarpada, un paisaje vertical. En este paisaje vertical, los pisos térmicos se suceden muy prontamente uno detrás de otro. En la parte más alta tenemos los raju, los glaciares, las cordilleras. Luego tenemos las zonas más altas de cultivo, que son las zonas donde se cultiva la papa, la quinoa. Más abajo vemos la zona de producción de maíz, ya casi en la parte baja. En la parte baja, la yunga de Yungay. La ciudad de Yungay lleva su nombre. Buscamos profundizar el conocimiento de los desafíos que el cambio climático plantea, de la resiliencia de las comunidades y ecosistemas de montaña, y de las oportunidades que ofrecen las diferentes estrategias de adaptación.
Hello, so my name is Nick Branch. I'm from the University of Reading, from the Department of Geography and Environmental Science. Here we are in the Peruvian Andes. The research project that we're undertaking is called Crrop. That's an acronym for Climate Resilience and Food Production in the Peruvian Andes. So there's quite a large group of people involved in this project, I say in addition to me and my colleagues from the University of Reading. There are 3 main components that make up this research project, I say looking at climate resilience and food production. So the first component very much looks at the hydrology, so the water availability within the landscape. The second part is looking at wetlands. The third component of the project is very much looking at the farming communities themselves, talking to those farming communities to better understand what are the challenges that they're facing as a consequence of climate change, perhaps what they see as being some of the opportunities indeed that climate change may offer them, and perhaps to discuss with them what they see as some of the solutions to the impact of climate change.
Hello, my name's Andrew Wade and I work on the Crrop project studying the water and how it moves through the landscape and where it's stored and how it's been used in the past and how it's used at the moment. And what I'm hoping will happen from my work within this project is that there'll be a better understanding of how to manage water in the environment, and then as the climate changes, as it's predicted to do, how we can better manage that water in the future.
My name's Joyce Ngaria and I'm a Professor of Climate Science at the University of Reading in the UK, and I am interested in climate change, past, present and future, and in this project I'm looking at what the climate might be like in the future in this particular region, and I use computer models to try and work that out.
Mi nombre es Kevin Lane, yo soy investigador del CONICET de Argentina, soy arqueólogo, estudio la tecnología hidráulica prehispánica y mi rol es ver cómo podemos rehabilitar o ver a dónde podemos rehabilitar esas tecnologías para el uso moderno.
Hola, mi nombre es Alex Herrera, yo soy arqueólogo, profesor de arte prehispánico en la Universidad de los Andes y en el proyecto Crrop estoy a cargo del estudio de los sistemas hidráulicos antiguos, específicamente de los canales y las formas de retener agua en el paisaje en la Cordillera Blanca.
Yeah, my name is Frank Meddens. I'm an archaeologist. I'm a visiting research fellow at the University of Reading.
I'm Douglas Walsh. I'm originally from England, but here in Peru I've been working more or less the entire time in projects, rural development projects in the highlands, particularly in the south of Peru. I was working for an NGO called Cusichaca, and our speciality was the rehabilitation of pre-Hispanic agricultural systems. On this project, I'm acting as a kind of a coordinator